this is Christina with George Memorial Library with Fort Bend County Libraries. And today I'm going to show you how to make indentations with Microsoft Word. First of all, you need to make sure that your ruler is visible. And to do that, you'll go to the View tab and you will check the box that says Ruler, which is right here. Then come back to the ruler here, and as you noticed, none of my paragraphs are indented, meaning they don't have any spaces that create an indentation. That can be easily fixed. The first way to fix it would just be to press the Tab key, and that automatically indents everything in half an inch. But if you don't want to go through an entire document and press the indent key or the tab key, then what you want to do next is highlight all the paragraphs that you want to have the new indentation, and then come up here on the ruler with these funny little triangles and squares. Now, this symbol has kind of an hourglass symbol with a rectangle on the bottom. If you move the top triangle back and forth, it will actually only do an indentation for the top line, the first line. If you move the bottom indentation, this will actually make an indentation for the entire document, for all of the text, while preserving wherever you placed that top triangle. So go ahead and play around with that. If you need to do something called a hanging indentation, you would move the bottom triangle over. And as you noticed, whenever you move the bottom triangle, it always moves the top triangle at the same time. That's okay, because you can always move the top triangle separately like so, in order to create a hanging indentation. Now, this little triangle at on the far right is the right indent, and that affects the indentation to the right. So that means that by just dragging and dropping these two symbols, you can make something as narrow as you like or as wide as you like. And that's how you do indentations.